Real trading is the ultimate destination for a Forex trader. Our learning will be evaluated through this real trading, but there is a problem here. That is, traders go for real trading very quickly, due to which many important issues related to trading are ignored. As a result, we face problems in doing real trading. In today's video, we will discuss some things to do before real trading. These things are very important because in many cases we can't apply what we learn in demo trading, and in many cases it is because of forgetting. So today's video is important for you, so take a look at all the topics. I hope you stay tuned. Hello viewers, I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. First of all, determination of trading strategy. Before starting anything or doing anything, a strategy must be set. If we give an example like in a football game, every team or coach has a strategy, or they enter the field with different strategies, like recently in FIFA World Cup 2022. Argentina won the World Cup, and in that World Cup the contribution of the team coach was much appreciated because of his technique or strategy. And according to many analysts, he made team selections based on the opponent and judging the strengths and weaknesses of the opposite team. This is just one example, but it is a shining example that you need to adopt some strategy to be successful anywhere. Similarly, when you do Forex trading, you have to be strategic. You have to constantly follow different techniques by adopting different strategies, otherwise you will fall behind. The biggest thing to keep in mind is that you have to write these strategies down. As I said in the beginning, we forget many things, and it is natural that people cannot keep everything in mind, so you should write down your aims and rules. There are many things to keep in mind when you practice, like which currency pairs you do better, or where you feel comfortable when you practice. You take virtual dollars and then start practicing and take buy and sell entries. This is not demo trading. This is what we maximum traders do. We just think that the practice means just taking entry or following different strategies. It is not actually practice. As I told you, when you practice you have to notice in which pairs you are doing better. Not all currency pairs are the same. For example, if you notice, you will see that gold behaves in one way in Forex, while other currencies behave differently, and major currencies behave differently. That's why you have to notice in which pairs you feel more comfortable or in which pairs you do better. As many of us probably know, Forex has trading sessions. These sessions are divided into different sections like London session, Tokyo session, Sydney session, and New York session. The market behaves differently in each session. Again, when it overlaps it behaves differently. So you need to figure out when you are doing better. You can know when a session starts and when it ends from the Forex Factory. Moreover, if you want to watch a video, you can follow our video. We have presented all the topics in this video. All complications will disappear. Also, what technical tools you are using, or which one match with your sentiment, everything you have to find out during practice. You have taken entry, and it has come in profit, but your work is not finished. You have to pay attention to which pairs you are doing better at which time you feel more comfortable, which tools you are using to get success, as well as which type of trading is suitable for you. There are many types of trading, such as swing trading, day trading, scalping. All these things are not the same for everyone, but each trading is different, so which is perfect for you? To get it you have to find out during demo trading. We have given a video about this topic. If you watch that video, you will understand this matter. It basically depends on how you do trade. For example, there are many traders who prefer to trade for short periods. On the other hand, There are many traders who are interested in long-term trading. Therefore, you need to find out what kind of trader you are first. In the language of Forex trading, this is called type of trader. It is important to know the answers to the following questions in determining the right strategy for yourself. What kind of trades do you prefer? Which currency pairs do you prefer to trade? At what time do you prefer to trade? Which technical tool do you prefer? Before taking any kind of entry in real trading, you must find out the answers to these 4 questions above. Through this, you can set a perfect trading strategy for yourself. Real trading also requires performing the same tasks. Real trading is the platform to apply your skills that you learn. So before starting real trading, your task as a trader is to determine the right strategy. You have to find this. As a trader, each person's trading strategy is different. As I said, you should determine all these things first, then write them down somewhere so that you can see the list all the time. Best of all, write it down and hang it next to your PC so that you can see it when you sit at your desk. Or you can edit any photo and write these things and set it as your laptop wallpaper. By doing this, every time when you open your laptop, you will see these things. These things will enter your mind before starting the trade because of reading them once, also because of seeing them every day. These things will be embedded in your mind. I hope you understand. Moreover, there are many other things that if you follow the details, they will definitely support you. We use different platforms like MT4 or MT5 or TradingView, but trading should be done where most benefits are available. TradingReview has a very good facility to do analysis very easily as there are many tools available for you to use. So if you follow these things, then it will be beneficial for you. The most important thing is to remember all the things while doing real trading in the same way as you practice so that you don't miss anything because a single miss can lead to your loss. This was today's video. I hope you understood, but before finishing the video, I request those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. We will make a request to you wherever you create an account broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pip spread. So be sure to account under the link given below, and if you like this video don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better, and if you have any suggestions you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.